Well, trading is closed on May 29th, 2019. As I've said, this week and next week, I'm just not going to have time to do my normal analysis. And I really spent under 10 minutes looking at things today, and nobody should risk money based just on what I said. But just to keep things current, we get to cross a few more targets off the list. One from May 13th, 2801.42. One from March 11, 2776.13. We have to add this one, 28.10. So what are the chances these numbers are going to print at some time? We get about 650 targets a year. In 2018, every single one printed. In 2017, I only had about 3 which haven't printed, and that's about par for the course. So I still have higher and lower targets from the 5 months of this year, and I think we'll go up and down. That doesn't tell us which one comes first. All the targets from today's patterns have been satisfied. Ultimately, lower prices printed, higher prices printed, all these things retraced. This is a pattern with the early high. Usually it's a positive pattern, closes near the day's high. It didn't, and that's negative. When that doesn't happen, there's usually a straight line move down. That's not quite what I expect, but I guess it's possible. But we did gap down, hit lower lows, closed over all of them. That's positive, unless we gap and probably take out these lows. So with mixed indicators, the odds favor gapping and promptly moving outside of the day's range. Next most common, closing little change, having the big move the following trading day. Least common by a larger margins. Neither one of those things happen. Here's these are all TD ST lines. They're support levels. This is one bar under the line, that's support. These are old levels. Lots of support right here. Doesn't mean it'll hold. If we do gap up from here, which is what I would like to see but won't predict, we still have a wave count that works perfectly based on the Fibonacci patterns. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. That doesn't mean you won't gap up first. So for tomorrow, pattern with the early low, good chance of gapping outside of the day's range. Couldn't hold on to these lows. This is support. The pattern usually closes higher, and without what I would consider a big drop down, even though futures are unchanged now, it's possible we get a big gap up tomorrow, but it certainly isn't reliable enough for me to risk any money on, or for me to recommend anyone else to risk any money on. But I think that's more likely than gapping down. And that's today's call, such as it is.